how to post or snap on your Snapchat Spotlight. Now this is a very easy process, so make sure that you've installed your Snapchat. If your Snapchat is not installed, go to your app store and search for Snapchat and then install it. Now after you've installed your Snapchat, open your Snapchat, and after you've opened your Snapchat, you need to go to the Spotlight section that is on the bottom right. Click on it, and on the top right corner you'll see a plus icon. Click on it, and then you'll see a create option and upload video option. And if you already have a video that you must upload on the Spotlight, select the upload a video option, or if you don't have one, just click on create. Now make sure that your video is longer than 5 seconds so that you can upload it to Spotlight. Anything less than 5 seconds will not get uploaded. Now as you can see, I have created a 5-second long video. Now after doing so, click on preview. Now after you've clicked on preview, click on send to, and then you'll see a section that says Spotlight. Select it and then click on OK. After you clicked on OK, you can just click on this send button, and then your Spotlight will get posted. Now you can check your Spotlight by going on to your profile icon and then scrolling down, and under the Spotlight and map section you'll see that your Spotlight has been uploaded. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when we upload our new video. Also don't forget to like our video, and then stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye.